Hey folks, today we will solve one business problem using data modeling, Excel data modeling. Okay, so let's discuss about the problem statement. The problem statement is need to get the total salary of all the employees for each department, gender, and city wise. Okay, so to solve this problem, we can use two methods. One is VLOOKUP, and the second one is data modeling method. Okay, so to solve this problem, we need to know that yellow tabs are the input data which we are going to use for solving this problem. Okay, so before going to solve this problem we will data. Okay, so we have three tables. One is employee table. In that we have employee ID, employee name, department ID, and salary. Okay, we have department table, we have department ID, department name. We have personal details, we have employee name, gender, and his city. So to solve this problem, we along with the salary we need department name, department name, gender, and employee city. Right. So from department table we need department name. Right. So from personal details uh, table we need gender and city. Okay, so we have to get all these details here and we can solve that problem using pivot tables. Okay, so we can use VLOOKUP, right? So that is the one traditional method to solve this problem. Okay, so we are trying different here today. So if we use data modeling, it will be very dynamic. Okay, so even tomorrow if data changes, the automatically it will refresh, right? So we will solve this problem dynamically. So for that we will use data modeling method. Okay, so to solve this problem we need to create three tables. One is employee table, department table, and personal details table. Okay, let's create Excel tables. Okay, to create Excel table, control T. So control T is the shortcut to create a table. So click on OK, rename. This is employee table, right? So rename it into employee. Okay, go to next tab, select all, control T, create a table, rename. So what is the name of this particular table? Department. Okay, so go to next table, personal details, select all, control T, OK, and rename it's a personal details. We have renamed all these tables, right? So once we rename, we will get we will create three pivot tables. Okay, for each table we will create one pivot table. Okay, so now click on this table, go to table design, summarize with pivot table. Okay, so here uh, we will create pivot table in new sheet. Okay, so new sheet. So yeah, it will create new sheet, and don't forget to click this one. Okay, if you click this one, this option will add this particular data into data modeling. Okay, automatically it creates a table in data modeling. Okay, just click this one and then okay, right? So now one pivot table is created for employee. Okay, now we will create one more pivot table for department. Okay, so click on this one, go to table design, summarize with pivot. So we have already created one sheet, right? Sheet 1, here it is, pivot table is there. So uh, we use existing sheet only. So click here, in this location that pivot table will create second pivot table and add this data to data model. Don't forget this one, this is very important. Okay, so just click on OK. Now can you see two pivot tables are created? Now third one we will create here. Okay, so for that go to personal details, click on the table design, summarize with pivot table, existing worksheet. Here we need a third pivot table, right? So add this one, um, add this data to data modeling. Okay, so click OK. Now if you see all three pivot tables are created. If you want to see the details, go here. If you see department table, employee table, and personal detail tables, all three tables are created. All these three pivot tables are created. Now we need to make, we need to give the connections between these pivot tables, right? For that you have to go to data tab, data modeling, manage data model. Okay, once you click on that, you will get a pop-up, new pop-up screen. Okay, so there you have to go to data view. This is the data we are used. So data diagram view. We here we need to see employee table is our main table, right? So keep it here, employee table. Here this is our main table. We have to get department name, right? So for that you can give connection. See, the common IDs between these two tables is department ID and department ID. So give connection between these two tables. Okay, department ID and department ID. So next one, give connection between, yeah, we have to give connection between employee table and personal details. Okay, here employee ID is the common ID between two tables to give connection. Okay, click on this one, go here and employee ID. Okay, so this is how connections we have provided. Once you, once you give the connection, save and close this one. Okay, now, yeah, now if you see the connections is provided, right? Yeah, we wanted what was our problem statement? Need to get total salary of the employees for each department, gender and city, right? So let's get department, gender and city in rows and department in columns. So let's go to here. Sorry, we wanted gender here, city, and we need yeah, department name, right? So we are getting department name from here in the columns. Now salary, we wanted a sum of salary, right? So here if you see, yeah, if you see now, yeah, if you see from three tables we got salary from first table, in employee table. We got department name from department table, gender and city from personal details table. Okay, so now if you see, it is aggregated. Okay, we can check one example. Okay, so let's uh, take, yeah, Pune. Let's take Pune. Okay, Pune as an example, and mail and technology department. Okay, let's see the total. So go to, yeah, employee table. We have to get, yeah, using VLOOKUP we need to get the data, right? So department name, right? So here department name, then we need gender and city from these two tables. Oh, sorry, gender and city. Use VLOOKUP is equals to VLOOKUP using department ID, right? We are getting department details. Department, go here, select 20. See, we got department details. Okay, is equals to VLOOKUP. We are getting, using employee ID, we are getting employee details, right? So go to gender 30. Okay, similarly we will get city details is equals to VLOOKUP employee ID, personal details, city 40. Okay, so we got all these details. Okay, what we are going to check is, yeah, if you see here, we need to check these numbers. 1,57,000 is correct or not, right? So let's check mail, Pune and technology. So go to here, mail, select mail, location, city Pune, okay, mail, and which department it is. So which department it is? Technology department, right? So select technology department. So technology department, you select technology department, you just total the salary is 1,57,000. Okay, so if you see here in the pivot table, the salary is 1,57,000. Okay, so now we will get the problem statement here so that it will be easy for us to uh, know the details, right? So the problem statement is need to get the total salary of all the department, gender and city wise. See, for each city, gender wise, male or female and department. Okay, so we are able to solve the business problem. Okay, thank you so much.